Hey yo guys, what's up? My name is Ahmad Ali and welcome to my new YouTube channel. In this my first video, I'm gonna tell you about how you can download any paid apps or games absolutely free in your iPhone device. Yes guys, you don't have to pay a single penny to download any app or game in your iPhone device. So before we get into the video, I would like you to watch my whole video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share it with the friends as well. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, here we are. So first of all, we need to have a browser. You can use any browser, but I will recommend you Safari browser. So when you open Safari browser, just write down Panda Helper and search for it. When you search for it, select first one, pandahelper.vip. Alright guys, so here we have two options, VIP and regular. VIP is a paid version and regular is a free version. We will go for regular version. So click on the regular section, okay, and download free version. When you hit the download free version button, there will be a pop-up menu appear like this. There are some instructions that you can see, that is how you can install the app. So just tap on the install button. Your app will be started to download, as you can see here on the home screen. Now I'm going to pause my video to save the time. When it is about to finish, I'll be right back to you. Alright guys, so now I am back and you can see it's about to finish. We will just wait a little bit for installing this app. Alright, so it is started installing. Okay, so now we will go to setting before opening it and go to the general and then device management. Press on that and trust it. These are the certificates, so we have to trust it and get back to the home screen. Now I am going to show you some paid apps before downloading that. So I will search first for Facetune. Okay, so here we have, as you can see, that this is paid. This is now for LumaFusion. This is also very expensive. So let's just search another one. I will search for Share It Pro. Alright, so it's paid as well. Okay guys, so it's time to pay these apps absolutely for free. Open this app. Just ignore this pop-up and we will search for our paid apps. Now I will write down Facetune. Just ignore these ads and search for it. Alright guys, you can see we have Facetune. Press the download button and there will be a pop-up like following Twitter. Just click on it and get back to the app and hit the download button. Just wait a little bit. Yes guys, you can see that our app has started to download. You can see in the download section your all apps will be downloading here. Let it be download, and we will search for a few more paid apps, like I'm searching for Luma Fusion. As you can see that it was very expensive in App Store, and here it is absolutely free. And now we'll share it. Yes, it is also available. You can see guys, we can download any paid app or game absolutely for free. Now once it is finished, we will just tap on the install button. Wait a little bit, and here we are. Just tap on install and our app will start it to install. Let's get to the home screen. Here you can see guys, our app is started to install. Just wait a little bit. Our downloaded files are extracting, and it will take just a little time to install. Yes guys, you can see it's just installed. So that's it for now guys. I hope you liked my video. So that was the easiest method with you can download any paid app or game absolutely for free. I hope you like my video, and if you like it, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends as well, and let me know your opinion in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. See you again in my next video.